goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dino runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while. Soon you'll get your happy smile.
What? Come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you help me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance.
Yes, health is a grand victory.
Yay! Hooray for Kitty!
Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. Pot of conch here and bumper there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. Five funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. Four funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. Three funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. Two funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. One funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show.